Mary, look at this. Someone changed the office Wi-Fi name again.
What is the name now?
Not Your Network. Yesterday it was Please Stop Stealing.
That is not professional. Clients can see the Wi-Fi names too.
Exactly. Last week, a client asked me about it. I did not know what to say.
Who is doing this?
I think it is someone from the IT team. They think it is funny.
Okay, we need to fix this. Let me talk to the IT manager.
Good idea. We need a clear, professional name.
Something simple, like the company name and the floor number.
Yes, OfficeNet Floor 2. Clean and easy.
I will send an email to IT right now. No more joke names.
Thank you, Mary. This is a small thing, but it matters.
Every small thing is part of our professional image.
The client will notice.
Exactly. A good office looks good in every detail.